Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So now in this video today, I'm going to be creating a DIY decoupage vintage vase with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Okay, now this basket, serving basket, bowl, whatever you may call this, has a beautiful scalloped edge, and I got it at the silver section of the Dollar Tree. So this fabric right here, this came from Walmart, beautiful print. So we have a lot of decoupaging to do because this was about a yard worth of fabric, and we're not gonna let this go to waste. Now we also need the Mod Podge. Make sure and have some paint brushes. Walmart has very nice paint brushes. And I'm using the matte finish. It really doesn't matter what kind of finish you use. You're just gonna need plenty of it. Now I'm just cutting the fabric to the shape of this basket, and then we'll start Mod Podging, decoupaging this together. Now what I'm doing here is we're going to put one layer of the Mod Podge, and we don't want to be skimpy with this, so we want to do a nice thick layer. Don't overdo it. A nice layer. We're going to place the fabric, and we're going to repeat this process all the way around, and then we're going to seal it back in with the fabric when we're done placing the first layer. You'll see what I mean. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Also, make sure to head on over to my community tab, where there you will see a calendar of collaborations that I post each month. They're all open invitations for everyone to enjoy. Now, once I have cut off the fabric that I don't need, now we're going to go ahead and seal the fabric. So now we're going to put a nice layer right over that cloth all the way around. We don't want to like put too much, but we do want to seal it in really good. So you want a nice layer there all the way around, and then we want to let that dry and everything will be sealed in. Then we'll move on to the next step. Now I decided to go to my room, and in my stash I had that fur ribbon that I've used in the Wreaths Galore to do those beautiful ribbons. So what I decided here is to cut a little strip of that and put it as a border along the top. Now, I think this ribbon is looking absolutely gorgeous. I think that was the perfect touch that it needed to complete this vase. So we're going to head on over to the reveal shortly, and I cannot wait for you to see how this turned out. This definitely turned out better than I ever thought. It is so beautiful. I hope the camera is doing it justice. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.